Your description should tell the main aspects about you. What are your hobbies? What's your profession? What do your friends like the most about you? What aspects of the city do you like the most? Write a taste of the type of experience the traveler will have with you. Do you have a nickname? That builds connection with your new traveler friend. And why do you love being an iFriend? Your invitation phrase is your personal slogan. It is an open invitation for your traveler to get to know you. Here is your chance to get creative with an inviting quote. Examples may be: I take you to the best sambas in Rio de Janeiro. Come with me and I will unlock the secrets of Paris Underground.